Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your trusted hub for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're focusing on one of India's most iconic small cars making a fresh comeback, the 2025 Maruti Alto 800. Affordable, efficient, and now smarter than ever, the new Alto is ready to reclaim its spot in every Indian garage. A familiar name, a fresh identity. The Maruti Alto 800 has been a household name for decades. In 2025, it returns with a refreshed design and a stronger focus on modern urban mobility. While retaining its compact city-friendly size, the new Alto has received subtle yet impactful updates to appeal to today's young drivers and first-time buyers. Design and styling. The 2025 Alto 800 gets a more mature design language with a slightly longer and wider stance. A sleeker front grille, updated halogen headlamps, and new body-colored bumpers give it a refreshed look. The car rides on new 13-inch steel wheels and features cleaner lines for improved aerodynamics. Though budget-friendly, Maruti has made sure it doesn't look outdated. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the new Alto continues with the 0.8-liter three-cylinder petrol engine, refined to meet BS 6 Phase 2 emission norms. It delivers around 48 PS of power and 69 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox, the engine prioritizes fuel efficiency, offering up to 24 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most economical cars in its class. Interior and features. Inside, the 2025 Alto gets a basic but functional dashboard with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, available in higher variants, dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, reverse parking sensors, and front power windows. Space has slightly improved thanks to better cabin packaging. Pricing and launch timeline. Expected to launch by mid-2025, the new Alto 800 will start at an estimated 3.8 Indian rupees Lakh, ex-showroom, keeping it within reach of the budget-conscious buyer. Final words. The 2025 Maruti Alto 800 continues to do what it does best, deliver unbeatable value in a compact, reliable package. Perfect for city driving and small family.